We have a 2022 Barletta Cabrio 22-foot UC pontoon boat. Has a 115 Mercury on the back with command thrust stainless steel prop. Very nice swim ladder on it. Safety chains so you can sit back there while the boat's in motion. Battery switch. Electric bimini top. Does come with the full cover. Let's go inside. We have the doggy dock view gate so dogs can see through the gate from the inside, in the front and the side. We have two benches in the front with loungers and armrests. Show you how that works there. Let's put that down. Storage under the seats. That cup holder you can move around on the seats or leave it there. Does have pull-out doggy dishes. Use it for keys or wallets if you don't have a dog. Table here. This pops up and has the legs that fold down to make a table. You can see how you can see through that side gate there. Real nice high back helm chairs. Armrests, they swivel, move forward and back, and recline. Cell phone chargers all over the place. Here's your dash. Lots of leg room. Tilt steering. Has the Lowrance in it. This boat is rated for 10 passengers. You also have a gate there if you need to close that off for children or pets. Here's the Ultra Lounger here. This backrest flips back and forth. You can sit facing the rear or you can lay it completely down and make a big flat bed. You can also raise these center sections so you could sit facing the back, or if you lay the backrest down you could raise the rear sections and sit facing the front. Very universal, lots of cup holders, American flag. Check this boat out at SkipperBud's.